हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। आप सभी का स्वागत। फ्रेंड्स, ऑल इंडिया बैंक एम्प्लॉइज एसोसिएशन ने एक सर्कुलर 31 मार्च 2023 को जारी करके ग्रुप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस यानी ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस के बारे में एक अपना सर्कुलर जारी किया है। फ्रॉम द UFBU वी हैव बीन परसुइंग विद द IBA some of the issues relating to the proper implementation and administration of the group medical insurance scheme, as well as seeking some improvement in the schemes. Importantly, we have been taking up the issue of reduction in the premium on the policy relating to the retirees and also bearing the cost of premium by the banks. IBA had suggested to discuss these issues with a small committee of UFBU. Accordingly, UFBU has informed the IBA that the small committee would consist of one Comrade H Venkatachalam from AIBA, Comrade SK Bandlish from NCBE, and third Comrade Dilip Saha from AIBOC. We reproduce here in the above copy of the letter addressed by the small committee to IBA for the information of our units and the members. Units are requested to inform us their inputs and suggestions in this regard so that the same may be addressed by us during the ensuing discussion with regards. और ब्रजेश्वर शर्मा को जो एडवाइजर हैं IBA के, उनको जो पत्र लिखा गया UFBU के बिहाफ पे, जो स्मॉल कमेटी बनाई गई है उसके बिहाफ पे, we are in receipt of your letter dated 18th March 23 and note the contents. At the outset, we wish to inform that since the current policy will end on 30th September 23 and 30th October 23, respectively, we need to hold the discussion in an earnest manner from now on so that the finalized views can be taken up with the insurance companies. While seeking to renew the policy for the next year, there should be immediate meeting of the subcommittee to proceed further in the matter. As already taken up by the UFBU, the existing policy needs to be improved upon in certain aspects like additional disease, ailments, type of treatments, etc. to be covered by the scheme. There are also widespread complaints and experiences that the some of the TPAs are not up to the mark in terms of their services in the processing the claims, and the unilateral declining of claims are also in the increase through the claims are within the scheme. Bank managements are also not pursuing these issues adequately with the insurance company TPA, with the result employees and officers face problems in getting their claims settled as per the entitlement. At the time of introduction of the scheme in 2015 and thereafter also repeatedly, it was being assured that the network of hospitals covered for cashless facility will be enlarged, but in really the number of hospitals with this facility is getting reduced. The needs to be addressed. Regarding the policy for the retirees, the main issues before us to reduce the cost of premium substantially. For this, UFBU has already suggested that we can work out some ceilings on reimbursement limit for treatment of certain ailments and type of treatments. We can also consider graded rates of the hospital room bed charges. UFBU has also suggested that a basic insurance policy for retirees can be designed with mutually accepted risk coverage and up to a sum of coverage on which the premium may be paid by the bank, and the additional premium on optional coverage can be borne by the retirees according to their requirements. We can also consider clubbing of these aspects and work out of a combined and composite policy for working employees and retirees as well as retirees so that the premium can be negotiated and reduced. In view of the above, we request you to hold a meeting of subcommittee at the earliest. दो बातें इंपॉर्टेंट, एक तो कंबाइंड एवं कंपोजिट पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए जो रिटायरीज और वर्किंग एम्प्लॉय का साथ हो, ताकि अब हम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से निगोशिएट कर सकें। नंबर 2, द प्रीमियम ऑफ रिटायरीज मस्ट बी रिड्यूस्ड एट ए अफोर्डेबल लेवल। एंड थर्ड, द प्रीमियम ऑफ रिटायरीज मस्ट बी सब्सिडाइज्ड बाय द बैंक्स। इन 3 मुद्दों को भी ध्यान रखते हुए रिन्यूअल होना चाहिए, और इस बात पे यूएफबीयू जिसने स्मॉल कमेटी बनाई है उस कमेटी के सजेशंस में ये दबाव आईबीए के ऊपर करना चाहिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।